How to remove followers on Twitter. So first is to launch your Twitter application. And then tap on your profile icon, which is seen on the upper left corner of your screen. And then tap Profile, which will direct you to your profile page. So as you can see, I have 7 following and 1 follower. Tap Follower, and then from here, you will see all of the accounts that follows you. Now select the account that you want to remove as your follower by tapping on their account. Now tap the ellipsis icon, which is located on the upper right corner of your screen. It will then provide you with these options. So to remove this account as your follower, select the option Block. Now head over to your account and then refresh. Now you notice that I no longer have any followers, which means that I have successfully removed my follower in my account. And so that is how you remove followers on Twitter. Thank you and have a great day.